You, look confused. Keep it moving and no funny business. If there's one kind of business I don't like, it's the funny kind. Good? Good?
Yeah, my face is right here.
Wait. Put your food away.
Second over, you guys please point at your time on that side, guys. You find all like perfect, thank you. You're suspicious.
1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh! Don't shoot! Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I
We
am
know you have this level spotted.
I've never seen that man before.
But I will underestimate my power. I want that spire.
Damn, Sergeant. Someone could get hurt. That's the daughter. Now what? Hot race. I've always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him. We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power. We won! Now cut the pod and let's get out of here. Watch out! What transmission?
This is Cassian Andor with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But we...
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.
Wait! We're just tourists! Shields up, Otto! I wasn't programmed for this! Asteroid! To get them off before they rip us apart! Let's sever the controls! Pull up! R2, pull up! Well done, R2! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look, Otto, a platform! Let's land there! Oh, thank the Maker!
Welcome, Star Tours.
I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.